Here's how to convert any element into 3D in Canva. Install the free Canva app called 3D Maker by searching for it in the Apps section. Once installed, you can convert any text, graphic, or image into a 3D object. Select your element, then click Convert Design to 3D within the app. Set the size to maximum and the background to transparent before exporting. You will see a 3D preview. Use your mouse wheel to zoom in or out. You can click the Randomize Angles button for automatic positioning or manually rotate the element by clicking and dragging. Adjust the depth to enhance the 3-dimensional effect. For precise control, use the horizontal and vertical rotation sliders. When you are satisfied with the 3D result, add it to your design and resize it as needed. The process is the same for graphics and photos. Simply select the page containing your element, convert it to 3D, and make your adjustments.